Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines, and this is house number 23 that we're building. And this is the old house. Can we just take a little look at the old house? The old house is, well, this old house is falling down. And you can see how this...
Yeah, and the one holding this house.
All of the supports are pretty well shot, so it's not too soon that we got this family out and into the new house, which is almost finished. And this is a lady that is going to be the mom. She is the mom of 6 children, and she is about to move into her new house. How does she feel about that, Dad?
Unsa kuno imong gibati then?
Okay ra.
Nga kay bagong balay.
Oh, happy.
Yeah.
Well, we're very happy to be able to do this, and thanks to the subscribers that helped us to do this. Thanks so much. Can you imagine how this life is going to be changed? All of these lives. There are 6 children, and well, they've been living in this house for many years, and now they're going to live in this house. And we're going to look around now and see it.
Yeah, and the one holding that house is just the wire of the electricity.
Right.
Yeah,
so we're going to have
holding
that transferred over into this house,
yeah,
so that they have power. And this is a traditional open kitchen, a dirty kitchen, and this is where the cooking will be done. That's why there's some plain sheet on the back. This is, and probably we should have a little more here, I think.
Yeah.
But they'll fix that up. Oh gosh, look what I saw. This was sent by one of our subscribers, and it's in the toolkit. And look, I think that's one of the tape measures. So let's have a look. We are actually out of budget for doing a division. We've run out of
wood.
We've run out of wood now, so
and we don't have time to cut because tomorrow is the last day.
Well, tomorrow is the last day of our labor costs. Can only take us to tomorrow. So this is the house. It's very simple, but if you keep reminding yourself what that house looks like from this doorway. Look from this doorway, Beth. Boy, this is going to be a huge difference to this family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As a foreigner in the Philippines, thanks for looking in, and we can both say bye. Yes?